Here, you want some juice? Nice
no,
and cold.
No, running for me.
Oh
Nice
yeah,
and
that
cold.
says your name on it.
This is Leroy Leonard.
He says that's the best for you.
Get to bed.
What, honey?
Mm-hmm.
You're so cute.
Two.
Two.
And
Oh, honey.
It's okay.
Hey.
It's not our problem.
Somebody. Shh. Oh, he thinks he's in the wrong.
You notice we're very silent. We don't talk. We just come running because we don't want to scare them.
I know.
There you go.
Yeah, no, we just kind of.
He said I'm in the wrong.
Just run in there and
Oh, okay.
go to bed and then get up in the morning.
Do you want to lay down for a while?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go to your room up here.
that ain't my
Okay,
room.
well, I better get to
It's
that.
got your
You
name
girls
on it and
have a good
everything. All
night.
of your stuff is in there.
He knows it isn't his room.
I'll show you.
He just
Okay,
came.
bye now.
Enjoy the weather.
Came last week.
That's what I heard. It's nice
It's
out
really
today.
nice.
Yeah, it's
Really
real nice. Real nice.
Oh, nice to be able to go outside and actually.
No, and not
Yeah,
not dread it.
Yeah.
that was terrible.
Like grab the oxygen mask.
Yeah.
want some of that?
No, that's for you.
That's for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hey, Squirt.
Hey, she called you Squirt.
What'd she say?
She called you Squirt. You should call her Sparky. Oh,
You're so cute. I was so tired yesterday in the morning.